I'm Wolver. In the next 6 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to make $5,000 a day from your couch with zero coding experience. Not a theory, not a course, a live execution. If you want to skip the work and just lock in $5,000 per day, hit me on Telegram right now. Link is below. You've been stuck in a loop? Refresh the chart. Watch the red candle. Check Telegram for the next signal. Ape in. Get rugged. Start over. That loop ends right now. Hi, I'm Wolver. Today, I'm not teaching you how to find the next pump. I'm teaching you how to be the pump. We are building a real, live cryptocurrency token from absolute scratch. No code, no degree, just a browser, a wallet, and 6 minutes. By the way, if you want this on autopilot with zero risk, Telegram is open. I sell the exact contract that prints $5,000 days. Link below. Let's go. Step 1. Enter the command center. Open your browser. Type this exactly: remix.ethereum.org. This website is the same professional-grade environment used by the engineers who built Uniswap and Aave. To the untrained eye, it looks like a mess. To you, right now, it's a cockpit, and I'm handing you the stick. Most people get lost here. That's why I sell done-for-you contracts. Telegram link below. Hit me. On the left side, locate the File Explorer. Click Create New File. A blank document appears. This empty white space is where financial instruments are born. You are about to name something that will exist forever on a public, immutable ledger. Or don't. Just send me a message on Telegram and I name it for you. You keep 100% of the $5,000 per day. Link below. Type Vanguard.sol or whatever name you want to carry. Hit enter. That .sol extension is your credential. It stands for Solidity, the programming language of Ethereum. By typing those 4 characters, you just signaled to the network that you are no longer a tourist, you are a builder. And if you want to skip the typing entirely, you already know where to find me. Telegram, link in description. Step 2, the alchemy phase. Look at the left sidebar. Find the icon with the letter S. That's the Solidity compiler. Click it. Here's where most beginners burn their first money. Look at the top of this panel. You'll see a drop-down labeled Compiler Version. This mistake alone costs people hundreds in failed gas fees. My Telegram is full of people who decided not to waste that money. Join them. You must match your compiler version to the version written inside your contract. If they don't align, your transaction fails. It's like putting diesel in a Ferrari. Set your compiler to 0.8.20. Stable, modern, compatible. Now click Compile Vanguard.sol. Still here? Still typing? Telegram is faster. Link below. I do this for you in 3 minutes. Watch the bottom panel. A small green checkmark appears next to the compiler icon. That checkmark is proof of alchemy. Your plain text idea has just been translated into bytecode, the language the Ethereum virtual machine understands. Your token now exists in a deployable state. Or you could just pay me, and I hand you a deployed contract with $5,000 per day, volume ready. Telegram, link, now. Step 3, the irreversible act. Move down to the next tab, Deploy and Run Transactions. Click it. This is the bridge between your private development environment and the public, immutable blockchain. Find the Environment dropdown. Set it to Injected Provider. A MetaMask pop-up will appear. Connect your wallet. You're 5 steps in and still haven't messaged me. What are you waiting for? Telegram is right there. I sell the shortcut. Your wallet is now linked to Remix. You are authorized. You are armed. Now, before we hit that red button, we need to embed the soul of your token. 4 variables. These are not suggestions. These are the constitutional pillars of your asset. 1. The name. The formal title of your financial instrument. Vanguard, Apex, Sovereign. Words with weight. 2. The symbol. Your battle flag. $VN, GR, $APEX, $SOV. 3 to 5 characters. Aggressive, memorable. 3. The total supply. You are the central bank. 1 million, 1 billion, 100 billion. This number defines scarcity. Choose with intention. 4. The decimals. Set this to 18. The gold standard, non-negotiable. You see how many ways there are to screw this up? Yeah. That's why I sell pre-configured templates. Hit Telegram. Let's move fast. Critical warning: do not skip. The blockchain is a hostile environment. It is transparent, it is immutable, and it is merciless. A single misplaced character, a single logical flaw, a single forgotten access control. These are not bugs. They are public instructions on how to drain your contract. Your funds, gone in one transaction. No reversal, no refunds, no customer support. This is literally why I exist. I sell security, I sell armor, I sell contracts that already survived the war. Telegram, link below. This is where solo builders die. If you are not a security engineer, if you are not auditing your own code line by line, you are gambling, and the odds are not in your favor. I provide pre-audited, battle-tested contract templates, secure against front-running bots, reentrancy attacks, and every common exploit that has wiped out hundreds of projects. If you want that armor, if you want to launch without praying your code isn't broken, message me on Telegram right now. Link is in the description. Seriously, stop what you're doing, scroll down, click the Telegram link. Tell me you want the $5,000 per day setup. I'll have you deployed before this video ends. Now, you crossed the threshold. 6 minutes ago, you were refreshing charts, waiting on someone else's signal. Now you hold a contract address. Now you are the signal. The tools are public. The method is mine. Now it's yours, or you let me run it for you. Telegram is open. If this video shifted something for you, do 3 things. 1. Smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this isn't just another crypto video. This is a blueprint. 2. Subscribe. I don't post motivation. I post execution. 3. Comment your project name. Right now. I read every single comment. I'm actively looking for the next powerhouse project to mentor to the top. And 4. Yeah, I know, I said 3. 4. Scroll down. Click the Telegram link. Send me one word. Deploy. I'll get you to $5,000 per day before you finish this video. Will it be yours? The door is open. The forge is lit. Let's build. Or let me build for you. Telegram, link, go.